Roger, understand. Go for launch.
A spark.
Roger, it is.
A signal.
As long as there are obstacles,
A step into the unknown.
creative people will find a way.
Go.
You are go for launch.
It's a word that launches missions and challenges what's possible. Behind every breakthrough, there's a developer, a technologist, who dares to take that first step, pushing new code, testing the limits, challenging themselves. Go.
It's a company that is always on the move.
It's more than a command, it's a mindset. Go drives innovation.
Ever onward.
Rockets fail, code breaks, systems crash. These moments shape us. We make a choice, a second chance.
All systems are in go condition.
Okay, we're going.
Never stop thinking, never stop learning, never stop adapting.
We have a date with destiny. We mean to keep it.
This is the intersection of technology and ambition. This is your playground.
This is where you find your people.
Explore, build, test, break, launch, shape new understanding.
The work we do requires people who have a strong sense of personal responsibility.
Push your potential, ignite your ambitions. Go for innovation, go for connection, go for mentorship, go beyond what you know today.
The instrument units fly for the first time.
Okay, all flight controllers, retro. Go. Rhino, go. Guide, go. Patrol, go.
We are go for launch.
Join us. Your mission is go.